Let's look at it feeling a little bit more like autumn on this view on the Marblehead Lighthouse Cam. Some thicker clouds have been with us much of the day. The breeze really going to pick up, and it will lash the shores of Lake Erie as we go through tomorrow with that stout east wind that's going to be rolling into the area. So how about the winds Friday? That's the big thing you need to know. Northeast wind gusts to about 35 to 40 miles per hour. We may be dry much of the day, but those showers going to be arriving late afternoon and into the evening. Thick clouds across much of the area, even with the cloud cover looking like it wants to rain. We don't have any rain that's going to be occurring across the area as we go into the evening, but how quick things will change with the tropical remnants of Helene making its way into our area. So latest report on this one, 125 miles per hour is the winds. That is solid into Category 3 strength, and we expect this may further intensify, making landfall, could even be as a Category 4 hurricane. As we go late this evening, just before midnight, it will be making a landfall. That storm is going to charge to the north. The reason why we've been focusing on this, not only is it going to be some dramatic impacts across the Florida coastline with that life-threatening storm surge up to 20 feet that could push several miles inland. It's going to bring a lot of tropical moisture up into our area as we get into the upcoming weekend. Now, it is dry right now across the area, and temperatures feeling a little bit more autumn-like, upper 60s to near 70 degrees. And that northeast wind already beginning to pick up, 10, 15, even up to about 20 miles per hour are some of the current wind gusts. They're only going to pick up the rest of the night tonight into tomorrow, and I expect by tomorrow morning some of those wind gusts will be in the neighborhood of 20 to 25 miles per hour. They're going to increase even more into Friday afternoon, 30 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts. And as we go through the second half of the day toward high school football games, those winds will still top 35 miles per hour. So we'll drop back into the 60s as that rain chance picks up after 5 p.m. And those rain showers may be with us through kickoff and into the after dark hours. So here's the landfall of Helene, making it just before midnight. So around 11 o'clock. Good opportunity. You could tune into WTOL 11 tonight. At 11, we could have up to the moment information as we have a landfalling hurricane. That tropical moisture then draws in and into central Ohio by 5 p.m., making its way into our area. And I do expect on and off showers Friday night, and continuing as that spin around that low pressure system continues well into the weekend for Saturday. So tonight, mostly cloudy, slightly warmer actually, low to mid 60s for overnight lows. Highs tomorrow will climb into the 70s, but winds will pick up through the day tomorrow. And I expect rain chances that will be with us through Friday evening into Saturday, on and off into the afternoon. Mid 70s both weekend days, additional showers on Sunday into early next week. And then to start October, a bit cooler, upper 60s and low 70s for the middle of next week.